So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin Magnolia Hotshots. I will give po 3 players that they can target or they should target kabola. And then marami tayong pag-uusapan kabola. Philippine Basketball. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, bakit pindot naman po yung subscription button. Unahin natin to. Si QMB playing for Gilas in next FIBA window ain't gonna happen kabola. So ito nga pong column kabola na na-post dito po si spin.ph by Homer Saison. Explain niya dito kabola kung bakit nga ba hindi makakalaro itong si Meliora Brown kabola sa next po na mga games po ng Gilas Pilipinas, even though this kid wants to play for the national team kabola. Ano nga ba yung rason? Ang rason daw po kabola in terms po of the timeliness po ng mga documents kabola, hindi ata nila naiabot po ng tama kabola itong mga documents po na ito nitong si QMB, kaya hindi po sila or hindi po siya makakalaro. Although dito naman sa column po ni Boss Homer, parang it doesn't mean naman na umayaw sa kanya po ang Gilas. So that's good kabola. Yun nga lang in terms of pagkahabol po ng mga papel at ni QMB, hindi po nahabol. So this should not be a big issue. Although of course si QMB kabola meron daw ata siyang planong laruan sana sa Espanya kabola, pero hindi siya na tumuloy dahil nga baka lang makasali po siya sa Gilas Pilipinas. Pero QMB with his size kabola, with his athleticism, he deserves a spot in our national team kabola, kasi talagang alam naman natin na center is still the most important position kabola for our national team. Na nagpakita ang Gilas si Adrian Nocum dun sa game 2 nila kabola against Converge. The guy kabola was praised heavily but Coach Yeng Giao, minsan-minsan lang magsasabi si Coach Yeng Giao kabola na future MVP ka kung ma-develop daw ni Adrian Nocum yung kanya pong 3-point shot kabola. And if you watch kasi si Nocum play kabola, masasabi talaga natin na elite kabola yung kanya pong slashing ability, yung kanyang finishing ability sa basket. Kaya nga naman, tama naman, logical naman na kapag naging above average 3-point shooter din siya or outside shooter kabola, talagang mas magiging deadly pa po yung opensa ng isang Adrian Nocum. Now defensively kabola, masipag din si Adrian Nocum. So kumbaga complete package yan. Pero for me, hindi sapat na 3-point shot lang kabola yung dahilan niya i-develop. He also need to be a much better playmaker. Yan. Para kung talagang gusto yung ma-reach, kasi ang MVP level po sa PBA level po ng isang John Mar Pajardo, Scottie Thompson, Chris Newsom, mga ganong level po yan kabola. And if kung gusto niya pong ma-reach yun, I think kailangan din talagang mag-level up pa yung kanya pong playmaking ability. Now, napapadalas ng konti na naman tumareklamo pa against, in a way, indirectly po sa officiating. Kasi after their win in the game 2, Meralco is still not a fan of the 34-19 disparity po in fouls. And for me naman, if you are the coach po of a team, 15 yung disadvantage mo sa bilangan ng fouls, talagang aaray ka din kabola. Pero yun nga lang, of course, kasi padami itong mga ganitong klase po ng mga reklamo, yung credibility po ng liga, although of course yung credibility ng liga is halos kumbaga halos wala na rin naman kabola. Yun po talaga yung na-atake po dito kabola. Now, who should be the top 3 players that Magnolia should try to target? First at my list will be Carino of Terra Firma. Bakit po si Carino ng Terra Firma? Yes, I know that San Miguel Beermen nga daw po ang ma-interest po na kunin si Carino. Pero for me, ito pong Magnolia, they can also need a type of big man like Kemar Carino. So for me, hindi pa naman siya nakuha ng San Miguel Beermen So pwede pa rin naman po nilang isubukan na sila po yung makakuha dito sa big man nga po ng Terra Firma. Pangalawa ko sa listahan will be Tyler Teo of Phoenix. Currently po, one of the most popular player po ng Phoenix kabola is playing very well. Now, if Magnolia wants to find their next good-looking superstar kabola, I think Teo is a good target for them and they should try to get him. This guy is an outside shooter. They need an outside shooter kabola and a more than capable playmaker. So I think Tyler Teo, Jerome Lastimosa, backcourt will work very well kabola. Pero ang tanong lang dyan kabola, can they give the right package to Phoenix para mapa-oo sila? Last but not the least in my list is no other than Arvin Tolentino. Still the clearest kabola na player na fit po sa kanilang need kabola. He's a forward, 6'5", 6'6" kabola, who's capable of hitting 3-point shot efficiently. He is currently for me the deadliest shooter po in the league. Kababa, sino dapat target po ng Magnolia? Comment lang po sa baba.